Welcome everyone to another episode of me opening AliExpress $1.99 plus or minus deal. Let's get straight into this. This bag right here is pretty heavy. I know the contents that's in it, so it makes them heavy, but let's take a look. Okay, there we go. Let's pull out from here. This one right here, let's see what this is. Yes, this is a ratchet set. Wrench ratchet. I got this one right here is in 21 millimeter. Now I could tell you that when you go out buy ratchet set, whether it's Home Depot or budget places like Harbor Freight, it's pretty hard to find single piece items that are like, for example, metric as in 21 millimeter. You commonly find them in just offset numbers that are comparable to the SAE, I believe. And so 21 millimeter is not your common, uh, wrench to get. But I got this one is a ratchet wrench. This one right here, I got it for, I believed, for the 21 millimeter, it is $6.99, which is not too bad. I've seen these at the stores. They sell single piece like these for up to $10 or more. So not too bad and feels pretty sturdy. Let's see, as far as in the metal, let's check. Wow, guys, it is definitely steel. So, wow. Yeah, I mean, we'll see, the quality of how long they last, but they definitely need a 21 millimeter. All right, next up. It's, I believe, more ratchet. I got it in different sizes. This one right here is a 18 millimeter. So this one right here went for $5.19 for an 18 millimeter. I needed 18 millimeter and I couldn't find them. At least I didn't look hard enough. But it makes it convenient for me to get this $5.19 solid steel. So as you can see, pretty good ratchet. Okay, next up, another ratchet, I believe. Yes, this one right here is a 15 millimeter ratchet. This one right here, I got it for $3.99 for a single piece 15 millimeter ratchet. Wow, nice. Nice to add to my tool set. Okay, next up, see what this is. Another addition to my tool set. This is an three-piece adapter set, bit set that goes on to the sockets. I believe it's this one is 1/4 adapter, socket adapter. This is, I believe, 3/8, I believe. Let me double check that. Make sure it's the right one. Yeah, so you got 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and then 1/2 inch. So adapter set for your bit drill socket adapter. Not too bad. $1.59 for all three. Wow, that's pretty cool. And then let's see the metal material factor. Yes, guys, look at that. So that's good. Okay, next up, I believe this is another tool set. This one right here, I'm thinking what it is. It is this one right here is labeled as a 52-in-1 tool socket wrench set. So I'm not sure, where the 52-in-1 is, but as you can see, it has multiple socket sizes. This one right here, I believe it's in SAE. I see 11/16, 3/4. So this is SAE size. And then you see this one right here is, yeah, I believe this entire set is a SAE size. So it has, different size socket. So that's pretty cool. It's $6.39 for this. And let's see the material, metal. Yes, guys. Here it is. So solid stainless steel. Pretty cool. I'm gonna actually try to see if I could find another one of this, but in metric, because this appears to be, yeah, this is all SAE, but yeah, let's look for a metric version. Next up is, what is this large item? Oh, this one right here is the Fireproof mat. I believe it's about a foot or 30 centimeters, 30 by 30 centimeters, or 12 by 12. But it's a fireproof mat. It's meant for barbecues or alcohol stoves or anything. But I didn't get this for myself. This is actually for one of my coworkers who is interested in this. I recall at that time back then, it was released at, I believe, $1.99, but the demand for them has gone up and they got more popular. And then as of the making of this video, I got it for $3.39 each. So they've gone up, but they're well worth it. Another thing to note about this is it is fireproof. It's made of fiberglass knitting or fabric. And the thing with fiberglass, just in case you don't know, if you're gonna clean this, just use a dry cloth to clean the, black ash marks and all that stuff. But do not use water or any type of liquid cleaning, and then harsh scrubbing. You're gonna make a hole in it. It's just fiberglass fibers. All right. Next up is, I believe. Oh, and then that's 4 of them, 4 pieces for $3.39 each for the fiberglass fireproof mat. And I think this is the last item, and I know what this is. It's basically just a simple sunscreen visor, or sunscreen, what do you call it? Windshield cover. They call it the car sunshade, but I got this for $2.59. It's gonna go into my Jeep Gladiator, when I'm parking somewhere for a long time, like say at work, I park outside and streets, and just reduce the what do you call it, I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm sure you guys do. It's just reducing the sun glare into the the cabin or whatever. But yeah, $2.59 for this. Not too bad. All right, guys. It doesn't look like much, but it is 10 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then plus 4 of the fireproof mats. So let's make it presentable as always. All right, guys, there it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Peace.